No, it's a single cylinder bike, 350cc. Rather interesting because it's got two exhaust pipes despite it being a single cylinder motor.
Why has it got two exhausts?
Just for show.
Just for show. That's very pretty too.
And so this particular bike was, well, the bikes were used in East Africa against Italy.
The people we managed to put a bike together.
Built the bike and I've been riding and campaigning it in the HMG class.
The R90S is quite a relevant bike in the BMW stable. First BMW to have won a Superbike championship. First production bike to come with a fairing. Everybody laughed at it because you they built about 17,000 of the little R80GSs.
We won 69 71, which were the first of the 2 9 championships which I won, plus my Springbok colours. So it's very dear to my heart.
The petrol is inside the frame. This is just a cover for the airbox. Belt driven, and it's got the biggest brakes ever fitted to a motorbike.
It's just a collection of all sorts of bikes. You know, bikes we learned to ride on, 50cc. We've got a couple of custom bikes Gavin built for us, super bikes, vintage motocross, vintage trials bikes. Just a trip down memory lane.
1,500 and that was it. That's
Oh, well done. Nice bike.